Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. This is my another tutorial, a common problem on Windows 10. Sometimes we are facing this problem, mouse cursor not moving. That means mouse not working. So if you are facing this problem, then follow this tutorial. In this video I will show you a easy step to fix if your mouse not working. So let's start it. To fix this problem we use our keyboard. At first press on Winky on keyboard to highlight search bar. And then search by Device Manager. After searching you can see Device Manager has automatically selected. Then press Enter on your keyboard. After Enter on your keyboard you will get Device Manager. Now press Tab key on your keyboard to select Desktop or Computer. After selecting Desktop and Computer, go to Mouse and other pointing devices using down arrow key. Now press right arrow key to open it. After opening go to Drive using down arrow key. After select the drive press Enter on your keyboard to open the driver properties. After opening the driver properties again press on Tab key on your keyboard till the time to highlight General option. After highlight the General, press right arrow key on your keyboard to highlight Drive. Now again press on Tab key till the time to highlight the Update Driver option. After highlight press Enter on your keyboard. Now use up or down arrow key on your keyboard to highlight Search automatically for drivers, and hit Enter on your keyboard. And make sure you are internet connected. If there is available update driver then it will update automatically. Or not you will get like this interface. Now press Tab key to highlight Close, and hit Enter on your keyboard to close this window. Now again highlight Uninstall option using Tab key, and hit Enter on your keyboard to uninstall the device. After uninstalling you will see driver will removed. Now press Alt key on your keyboard to highlight top menu bar. And then use right arrow key to highlight Action. And then hit Enter on your keyboard to open Action menu. After opening the Action menu, use up or down arrow key to highlight Scan for hardware changes. And then hit Enter on your keyboard. Now it will reinstall mouse driver automatically. After following the step hope your problem will be fixed. But unfortunately if not solved. Similarly again go to your driver properties. And uninstall device again. After uninstall restart your Windows. For that press Win key and X. And then use down arrow key on your keyboard to highlight this option. And then use right arrow key to get the options. Now again use the up or down arrow key to highlight the restart. And hit Enter on your keyboard. After restarting hope your problem will be solved. Friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.